General, aircraft drawing. What kind of information is contained in the title block of a blueprint? A drawing number, the name of the part or assembly, scale, date, the name of the firm, and the name or initials of the draftsman, checker, and approving official. What types of lines are used on mechanical drawings to show alternate position, hidden views, center lines? Phantom lines show alternate positions, one long and two short. Hidden lines are short dashes, evenly spaces. Center lines are alternate long and short dashes. How are dimension lines shown on aircraft drawings? Dimension lines are solid and usually broken at midpoint for insertion of measurement indications. Where and how are aircraft drawing changes identified? Changes are usually listed as revisions in ruled columns, either adjacent to the title block or at one corner of the drawing. Define tolerance as used on aircraft blueprints. Tolerance is the sum of the plus and minus allowance figures. Define clearance as used on aircraft blueprints. Clearance is a dimension allowable between parts. What is a bill of material associated with aircraft blueprints? A list of materials and parts necessary for the fabrication or assembly of a component or a system. Why are symbols used when drawing aircraft blueprints? A list of materials and parts necessary for the fabrication or assembly of a component or system. How many views may be required to determine the shape of an object when reading an aircraft drawing? 1, 2, and 3 view drawings are most commonly used. How may an aircraft drawing of a part be drawn to bring out pertinent details? By drawing a detailed view at a larger scale than the principal view. What is the purpose of a one-view drawing? They are used for objects of uniform thickness such as gaskets, shims, and plates. What are schematic diagrams generally used for? They are mainly used for troubleshooting. What is an orthographic projection? It is a way of illustrating an object in a drawing showing different views at right angles to each other. Describe the purpose and use of zone numbers on aircraft drawings. Zone numbers on drawings are like the numbers and letters printed on the borders of a map. They locate a point. To find a point, mentally draw horizontal and vertical lines from the letters and numerals specified. The point where these lines intersect is the area sought.